Hey, what's going on, everybody? Kelvin here. It's been a while since I made a video. I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna tell you what is Easy One Up. Alright. Easy One Up is an educational platform that pretty much teaches you network marketing, how to market your business, um, how to build a business. Okay. I actually go through the products with you and let you see, pretty much what Easy One Up is. There's different levels to Easy One Up, starting with very, minimum basics to the highest level, teaching you how to drop ship, how to start your own business, how to create your own product, things like that. All right. Um, this is the very basic. Okay. Um, Actually, I'll go in and actually show you that. All right. So. Okay, you can learn on demand on any device from the foundation of mastery. Several multi-million-dollar niches that they pay for. Alright. Now here's the elevation. Now this is the like bare minimum package that you can get started for $25. Okay. And within that package, this is what you will receive. Alright. Why online marketing, which company to join, pros and cons of marketing, how to generate leads, how to create a lead capture page, email series, how to sign up for an autoresponder account, which actually allows you to put your business on autopilot, how to offer bonuses, how to create an offer, uh, excuse me, um, and create your autoresponder or configure your autoresponder. The next level is the $100 level. Okay. And here you get, product creation, QR codes for offline traffic, how to do solo ads, live events, Google Hangouts, excuse me, YouTube clickable links, how to get YouTube in organic searches, YouTube as a social network, the intro to video marketing on YouTube, how to use Pinterest for business, Facebook for business, intro to social media, copyright conversions, which is very important. Lead generation for our responders, home basic website or blog, Google Plus. Um, Next level was $250. Okay. Next level, getting started in your own business, the winning mindset. Working online is pretty much all mindset. All right. Um, Passion to profit, business systems, the areas listed below offer, part one and part two. Excuse me, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. My brother kept me up most of the day. But yeah, you get traffic secrets, email relationship mastery, affiliate marketing survival part one, two, and three. All right, and that's in 250. The next level is 500. Okay. And mind you, like if you start at 500, you get everything up here at comp to. Okay. And here you get money counts, business building, part one and two, drop shipping count, zero cost traffic, 50 ways to get non-stop traffic. Okay. Vertex Pro is $1,000. All right. And if you get $1,000, you get everything that previously just showed you. Okay. This is everything you get in the $1,000 package. All right. Zero cost traffic, video sales funnels, use free ads traffic, Tumblr training traffic exchanges. It is very valuable information that you get, that you're able to use to learn network marketing, build a business, okay? And at the same time, you're able to make 100% commission, okay? These are digital products. Excuse me. The Vertex Live, this is the biggest package of 2000. This is the highest costing package, okay? And if you start out at 2000, you get everything else comp to you, all right? Let me go to the Vertex Live. Okay, the Vertex Live, you get event tickets, how to maximize click funnels, how to launch your product using SEO, 10K blueprint, drop shipping, like I said, the complete internet marketing strategy, the complete internet marketing strategy, digital marketing lifestyle, Amazon affiliate products, internet marketing lifestyle, content marketing blueprint, the CPA marketing, Periscope. But this is everything within the Easy One system. Okay. Now, if you're just starting out and you're a little low on cash, I will recommend at least coming in at the $100 package. Okay. You come in at the $100 level, you have access to this product. Okay. This is what you get inside the product, and you'll also be comped this product. Now, pretty much comp you get for free. You get the basics as well. And then what makes that even better, on the flip side of an informational education platform, like I said, you're able to generate income by helping other people learn network marketing. Okay. And if you start at the $100 level, okay, each person that you bring in that start at either the $100 level or $25 level, you'll receive 100% commission. Profit, okay, after your first sale or whatever. But the point being, you receive 100% commissions. Instantly paid to your PayPal account. Okay, you don't have to wait. This is pretty much your business in a box, handed to you, with lessons to teach you how to run it, and how to get traffic, and how to get sales. Okay, so that's pretty much easy. This is a really simple system. It works, and it's helped many people change their lives. All right, by being able to provide them with these 100% commissions, and people is using the information that they learn to generate an income. And I would definitely advise you to say, right below the video, I have my link if you want to join me in the Easy One Up. Like I said, if you're starting out, just starting out with a low cash, I would definitely recommend starting at the $100 level. If you at bare minimum, and you can only start at the $25 level, don't let it stop you. You can always build from there. Alright. But again, this is Calvin. That's Easy One Up. There's not much to go into. It's a simple, straightforward educational platform that also allows you to earn commissions to generate income as well. Alright. So until then, next time, check you guys out.